Good afternoon, all. I'll keep it very short and sweet. So that's a promise. Let me just start with thanking Franchise India to have called me to share what my views are about this industry, because one of the things is I'm not from this industry. So just sharing the stage with grand chefs here, actually I was thinking in my seat, I said, what am I doing here? So I'll just wear my entrepreneur hat. And it's very simple. Just 2011 was the first edition of Restaurant Congress, which Franchise India did it in the same ballroom. The hotel was called Claridge's, and now it's called Taj by Vivanta by Taj, whatever. But so it happened here, and I was sitting there where you are. I had a little brush with F&B. I was running a golf venture where we did some F&B, and we were having headwinds. Business was not good. And one of the things they say that if you're an entrepreneur and you got problems and that's going to happen, you need to change your course. And I actually came here, and this was August 2011, sitting here among you, and I realized that a lot of my people around me were actually not from the industry. So there are people from the restaurant industry here, but there are people who are not from the industry. And why are here? And the reason is, I think everybody in their bucket list sometimes have this thing about, I want to be in the hospitality industry, I want to have a restaurant or a bar for whatever reason. And it kind of came up that people wanted to be an entrepreneur. And I thought, I was sitting there looking at people come up and talk for 2 days, non-stop. And there was a lot of takeaway from there. And being an entrepreneur, one of the cliches that I have, what is a true entrepreneur? So there are a lot of versions about it. My favorite one is, it says that there is always a gap in the marketplace, and a true entrepreneur creates a marketplace in that gap. So one has to find that gap and create a marketplace. And that's how I started my journey. We started our first outlet exactly 24 months and 5 days back. We keep a tab on that because that's the kind of growth engine we are in. We are 15 outlets down, 10 more outlets waiting for licenses, because there are code of conduct which has come up in Maharashtra. It's going to come up in Haryana and Delhi very soon with elections. So we would have some license delays, but the stores are ready. So we're 25 outlets ready. We've signed 15 more, and we'll be kind of tracking to do about 3 outlets a month going forward, from an outlet a month to 3 outlets a month. So it's happened. It's happened because I realized the potential of it, and that's where the concept comes in. So when we're talking about concept, there can be a Bukhara, and that's it. You cannot replicate a Bukhara, I can tell you that. It's an indulgence that you go and, it's something which is surreal. But can there be concepts which are there, which are easier, far more entrepreneur-driven, or far more, I'm a textile engineer. I don't know anything about food. I don't know anything about alcohol. I don't even drink as much. I drink once in a month at the best at home with some friends. So why am I in this industry? I think because as an entrepreneur, anybody can do anything. I'm a standing example. In 2 years, I've done what I have done. We are the first company to get funded within 9 months of a first operation. We are raising our second round right now from a very large private equity player. That's going to be in news in the next 10 days. So there is potential to be in this business. So my urge is, if you are there, looking at this as your calling, if you want to be part of it, this is a great industry to be it. But one caution and one piece of advice is, don't take it as a glamorous industry. A lot of peers of mine, I would listen to them. Last 3 years, I've been attending this Congress. This is the 4th edition. I've been listening to a lot of the peers. What Niren said yesterday, the award ceremony, absolutely bang on. These are people you just take away from. Take a little away from people. Take a little away from all the chefs sitting here. And I think you can come up with some ideas or some concepts which can be disruptive. Today we need disruptive ideas. I've just met Priyank physically today. I've heard so much about him. He's going to come and share the stage. Honored to be sitting next to him. He's the most disruptive man I've ever seen from this industry. What he creates is unbelievable. I can't create even anything, So for us, it's everybody has a different calling. Everybody has a choice. There's enough out there, and that's what it is. I don't want to blabber about my own product and what we are, because that's there to see. But I just wanted to share these little 2 cents that if you are here and you're not from this industry, please do not despair. This is a great industry to be in. It has challenges. I have almost every legal hurdle. I'm a beer chain. Beer in India is liquor. I go through this every day. I go through every regulation. Maharashtra, 18 licenses. Delhi, 13 licenses. We go through this every day. to open 25 outlets is not a joke. It's a lot of, a hotel comes with a whole bandwagon. They've got everybody with them. I don't have any bandwidth. So we've done it on our own. We are all very compliant with all the laws. It's possible. So I'm saying everything is possible. You just have to convince yourself, convince your family that you're not going to see them for a while, because if you're an entrepreneur, that's one thing that you have to give up. You will have to put in a lot of long hours. It is a demanding role. It requires a lot of people. If you're a chef, you're skilled. You can create something. If you're not, then you're relying on your people or your staff. Those teams have to be motivated, and you do that. And that's what it's all about. Anybody getting in this industry, it's the right time. The second best time would be tomorrow. So that's where it is. So please feel free. Offline, I'm ready to chat with anybody. Anybody needs to know anything beyond that. I'm not from this industry, and I'm part of this industry, and I'm very happy about it. Thank you very much.